everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be giving out even more sticker swap shout outs. Stickers keep coming in and I'm so happy for that. Keep in mind, if you guys want to sticker swap with me, all you got to do is drop me a private message and I will happily get an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you guys. The sticker swap sticker wall is, as always, behind me, and it is constantly growing and filling up. We have these panels over here. Let's move the camera just a little bit. There we go. You can see the rest of what we have to fill up, and these stickers are going to do a great job doing it. So without further ado, let's go on and give some shout outs. First we have Bearded Moose Custom Creations, Queen Creek, Arizona. Capricorn Premium PTFE Boating Tubing. This is a 3D print and supply company. I have ordered some supplies to upgrade my 3D printers. You guys know that I do a lot of 3D printing, so really cool. Evolution Custom Woodworking. Really nice logo there, and they also sent this logo here with the favorite woodworking quote: "Sawdust is man glitter, measure twice, cut once, then force to fit." Really cool. I'm probably going to trim that one out along the saw blade and maybe stick it on the scroll saw, but I will be putting the main sticker there up on the sticker swap sticker wall. Cox Custom Woodworks, veteran owned, established 2019. Nice black and white logo there. All of these are amazing logos. Premium Laser Creations. Nice laser logo there. Really cool. Wooden Maiden. Really talented maker. Really cool. She busted on the scene and has been doing a ton of sticker swaps. Really nice. Be Kind to Everyone, Jordan, and please forgive me, everyone. I do not know who sent me this sticker, so I don't know how to tag them. I will be tagging everyone's Instagram account that I can find down in the description box below this video. So please, if any of you know who sent me this one here, please let me know so I can properly tag them. But real nice font there and really cool. Papa's Workshop and Adventures. Nice saw blade logo there. Timbar Wood, came from overseas, and it's a really nice sticker there, and it feels like it's like pressed copper, like an actual coin, but it's got the 3M adhesive on the back to where it'll stick like a sticker. Really amazing there. North Carolina, my buddy down the road from me, he has launched a YouTube channel, and this is the name of it. It's called North Carolina. The G is silent, so please go follow him and subscribe to his adventures on nature trails, hiking, mountains, and all that. Really cool documentary style channel. Virginia Museum of Transportation, Roanoke, Virginia. I went to this last year for my birthday, and sadly, even though I like trains and all, I was disappointed by this museum. A lot of the exhibits were covered in dust, and a lot of them had "do not touch" signs on them, so it was kind of disappointing. For the drive it took to get here, for me to go here on my birthday, I probably wouldn't go again. I'd go if someone else was going and I'd ride with them, but I will probably personally never take a trip back there again. That's my opinion. You can form your own, obviously, you know, but the 611 was supposed to be there and it wasn't. It was out being overhauled, and that was just an oversight on my part. I was just excited to go somewhere new. You guys know that I love the North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer, which is like an hour and 10 minutes up the road from me. Odin's Eye Embroidery, nice wizardry style logo there, and I like that it's triangle. It's not the traditional, you know, circle or square or oval logo. And Jimmy DeResta. Jimmy actually followed me over on Instagram, and I about dropped my phone when I seen that notification pop up. But we done more sticker swaps. I had got a North sticker style since then. This was back when I had the old little teeny tiny business card style sticker, so I sent him my sticker wristband business card and a little pirate flag, and he sent me more of his stuff. Of course, he has the stained glass thing there that is, you know, above his workshop, but really cool. And then there is his iconic logo. Really happy with all these sticker swaps. What I'm going to do now is get the stool to stand on back here to where we can add all these stickers to the sticker swap sticker wall. Let's go. the new stickers. Let's get the camera moved back. There we go. Once again, that is all of the newest and amazing stickers that have came in through the mail. It's been a while since we've done one of these videos, but I do believe this is the 25th or 26th time that we have done a sticker swap shout out video, and I'm always happy to give shout outs. This wall behind me is a wall of motivation, and I've met so many amazing and interesting people, makers, content creators, musicians, the whole 9 yards, you know, through sticker swapping like this. And this wall is proudly above my workbench, so when I take a break here after I glue up something, I can step back and look up and just reflect on how many amazing people and creative individuals that I do know. Once again, I will leave a link to everyone's Instagram page that I can find down in the description box below these videos, as well as my contact info. If you guys would like to sticker swap with me and get an Artisan Pirate sticker, I'll be happy to get one out to you. My contacts are always down in the description box below these videos. Sticker swapping is primarily done through the Instagram and social media apps like that, so just keep that in mind when you're going to try to find someone to sticker swap with. And when I sticker swap, I try to put my sticker obviously in there, but also a word of encouragement and my business card and maybe a small trinket like my wristbands that I have, or a small pirate flag, just to show how much I appreciate everything. And especially if people just reach out to me to actually do it, that humbles me deeply. But really, really cool. I had a lot of fun in this video, and I hope you guys did, and I hope you enjoyed the whole journey. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias as well as ways to contact me, as always, are down in the description boxes below these videos. That's about all for this one. And remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.